Now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದೇನಿ ಏನು ಕಂಡಿಲ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗ Okay, now you are able to see, right?
Yes,
Just
sir.
okay. ಇನ್ನೇಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. Rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of P by Q. Here it comes. It is represented in the form of capital Q, and it has two parts, that is numerator and denominator, and the both are what, integers, and specifically Q is not equal to 0. For example, we are seeing here, that is what, 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 1, that is nothing but a rational number. 1, if it is a numerator, 2 is a denominator, it means it is 1 by 2. What is this? What you can see there? 55 by 100. You take 100 in the denominator, you get 55 by 100. This is an example of what? A rational number. If you take 1 in the numerator, 1000 in the denominator, you get 1 by 1000. So these are what? Nothing but the example of rational number. Let us take last example. What you can see that. If you are unable to see the screen, just make a zoom of that screen. You can easily get a clear view of that thing. So if we have taken numerator has 7 and denominator has 0, it means P has Q, P has 7 and Q has 0. Yes, the result will be in the form of P by Q will be 7 by 0. Yes, is it a rational number?
No, sir. No,
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why
It is
it is
not zero.
number?
Zero is not integer.
0 is not an integer. What is the condition?
Not defined, sir.
Q is not
Not,
equal to zero.
yes, it is
Q
not
is not
defined.
equal to 0.
According to the, okay, listen to me. According to the definition, what he says that the denominator should not be 0. Why he says that denominator should not be 0? Because if you take in the denominator 0, so it doesn't give any meaning. Okay, so for such things in mathematics we call them as not defined. I hope you got that. 23.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುಂಗೆ. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next slide. Here, after learning about what is meant by rational number, we have to see about types of rational number. What we have to see next?
Types
of rational
numbers.
So basically, we are having two types of rational number. That is, one is terminating rational number and another is recurring rational number. How many rational numbers are there?
Two rational numbers.
See, what I have told you.
and recurring.
Listen to me. So I have asked you that how many types of rational numbers are there. You just told that two rational numbers. It gives a different meaning. You need to tell that there are two types of rational number. How many types of rational numbers are there? Okay, one is terminating, other is recurring. So let us see that what is meant by terminating. As the name itself indicates, terminating decimals are rational number means those which have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. What does that mean? When you divide a rational number, suppose if you have given that is 1 by 4. So when you divide this, okay, so what you get 0.25. It means that that number has been divided and you have got what, a finite number of decimal points after a what, decimal point. This is a decimal point. So after this you have got finite number of digits. ದಶಮಾಂಶ ಬಿಂದುವಿನ ನಂತರ ಬರುವಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಏನದಾವ, ಪರಿಮಿತ ಇರ್ತಾವ. Once again, it is not visible. Are you sure about that? Rest, whether you are able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, okay, 1 by 4, when you take that, when you divide that, what you get decimal expansion as 0.25. It means it has been terminated. ಅದು ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ, ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗದ. ಅದು ಏನಾಗೈತೆ, finite number of ಏನದ decimal part ಅದ. So it shows that it is what? Nothing but a terminating rational number. Okay. There is one another type of rational number, that is recurring. Recurring decimals or recurring rational numbers means those which are having one. See, it's very important. One or more repeating numbers are a sequence of numbers after the decimal point. ಆ ದಶಮಾಂಶ ಬಿಂದುವಿನ ನಂತರ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ ಒಂದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅವುಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ದೋಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್. Okay, are the sequence of numbers after the decimal point which continue infinitely. It's very important, which continue infinitely. There is no end for that. What decimal expansion? ಆ decimal expansion ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೊನೆ ಅಂತ ಇರಲ್ಲ. So we can see the example. It is 1 by 3, 4 by 7, 3 by 21. For example, if I take 1 by 3, okay, if you divide that, what you get? 3 and 1. So what you get? You get 0 point. You will get 0 here. 3 3s are 9. Again 1. Again 0. 3 3s are again 9. Again 1. Again 3 3s are. So what you get? 0.3333. Continuously you are going to get 3. So this is not going to end. Such kind of rational numbers are called as recurring rational number. I hope you have got a clear idea about this now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before going to the next part, let us see the number system total idea. So here I am going to have some statements. Of that statements, we have to understand that how those relationships between the natural number, the whole number, how they have been related, or how they are having a relation between themselves. So we are going to stick only to this part, which is that part that is about a set of a rational number. Okay, still we have been learnt about. I have not entered to the irrational number. Just observe this set of numbers, a diagram what it is there on the left side of the screen. Okay, so let us have the relationship between each set of numbers. So here it starts the first statement, that is all natural numbers are whole numbers, whether you agree or not.
No, sir.
You are not going to agree. Whether all natural numbers are whole number or not. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅರ್ಥಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳೇನದವಲ್ರಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it true or false? Is it true or false?
True, sir.
Okay, I agree. Yes, all the natural numbers are what? Whole numbers. But how can you say that? What evidence you have got to say that all natural numbers are whole numbers?
0, it is not found on natural number.
Zero, it is not a natural number.
See,
Zero
you're
is
not
not
getting
a
my
natural
point. Listen to me, you're not getting my point. What was my question? That my statement is all natural numbers are whole number. You said yes, it is true. So my question was, what basis, on what evidence you are going to say that all natural numbers are whole number?
Sir,
0 is not found on natural number.
ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಹಾ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ.
The natural numbers are also in the whole numbers.
Very good, Appi. Very good. The reason why all natural numbers are whole number, because the set of natural numbers which are present in the natural numbers are all present in the whole numbers. That is why we say that all natural numbers are nothing but whole numbers. My next statement, listen carefully. My next statement is that all whole numbers are natural number. Whether you agree, whether it is true or false.
False.
You say it is false, right? If it is false, tell me the reason for that.
Sir, the zero is not a
Zero is not in the natural number.
natural number.
Very good.
Zero is not
Zero is not natural number, sir.
Right. Okay, that what you have told is right. here that all whole numbers will not be a natural number just because of one reason, that is what? Because of 0. So here that person who is present in the whole number is not present in the natural number. That's why we say that we can't say that all whole numbers are a natural number. Why? Because of the presence of 0 in the whole number. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಯಾರಕ್ಕಾರ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, those numbers will not become a natural number. Hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now one more
Yes, sir.
statement. Now one more listen to me. Now one more statement that all whole numbers are integers. Yes, is it true or false?
True, sir.
How can you say that all whole numbers are integers?
All
Yeah,
whole
Vadar,
numbers is in integers, sir.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಏನದಾವ, ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವುಗಳು ಏನಕ್ಕವ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳಕ್ಕವ. Okay, my next statement. All integers are whole number. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False. Why it is false? I need reason.
Negative
Whole
numbers
numbers minus numbers are not.
Yes, negative numbers are not present in the whole numbers. ಋಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಏನಕ್ಕವ, ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳು ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So what is the only one reason? Negative numbers are not present in a set of whole numbers. So all integers cannot be a what? Cannot be a whole numbers.
Whole number, sir.
Okay, now the next statement. Shall we go for the next statement now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now all integers are rational. True or false?
True.
True,
True,
sir.
sir.
Say that yes, all the integers are rational.
All integer number is in the rational number. Present in rational
Very good.
number.
Very good.
All integers are
rational
present in the
number.
rational numbers.
Are
Rational
also
numbers.
present in a rational number. Okay,
Rational
now next
numbers.
statement. Okay, now next statement that all rational numbers are integers. True or false?
False, sir.
False.
False.
How can you say
Rational
that?
number cannot be.
What rational number cannot be?
Integer have only one denominator.
Which kind of one denominator?
One has its denominator.
What it is having? What's your
One.
name, Api? Very good. What's your name?
Manjunath, sir.
Very good, Manjunath. So the reason why that all rational numbers cannot be integers, why? Because in case of integers, if you take, suppose you know that the set of integers is having what? 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on, right? So when you see all these kind of numbers, you can observe that every number, it is having what? Anything should be have in those denominators, right? ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಾ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ -1, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1. Suppose if you take 2, it will have a denominator 1. Suppose if you take -1, it will have a denominator 1. But in the rational number, in case of rational number, their denominator can be any number apart from 0. Try to understand my point. Here in the rational number, denominator can have any number apart from 0. That's why your all rational numbers cannot be integers. Why? Because if you take a rational number that is -7/6, right? So -7 is present in integer, but -7/6 is not present in integers. So here what happens? 6 cannot be the base or denominator in place of what? Set of integers. ಆ ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರಬಹುದ್ರಿ? ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಛೇದನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ? ಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಕಗಳಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ಯು ನೌ.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, can anybody tell me? Okay, can anybody tell me the reason for that? All rational numbers is not a integers. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? All rational numbers are not integers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. False ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಕಾರಣ ಏನು? You need the reason, right? What is that reason? Just now I have
All
told.
integers are not in the form of p by q.
See, they all are in the form of p by q, but that q is odd in one.
Q is what, sir?
Not equal to
Q is q ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ನ q ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ
One.
One.
One has a denominator.
Okay, my next question ಕೇಳ್ರಿ.
yes, sir.
All rational numbers. Okay, all natural numbers are rational number. Is it true or false? I'm repeating once again. All natural numbers are rational. True or false?
True, sir. True, sir. False, sir.
False. Somebody are telling it is false and somebody are saying it is true. What might be the answer? Is it true or false?
True. True, sir.
It's true.
No, sir.
Why it is true?
Rational numbers have all natural numbers.
All natural numbers
are whole numbers.
ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Listen to me now. Now what I have said that natural number ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಳೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು, natural set is a number but 1 2 3 so on ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪಿಗಳ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ. That is also in the form of p by q. Here only the restriction is what, that denominator and numerator might be integers and that denominator should not be 0. That is related to the rational number. But when it comes to the natural number, whatever number you can take, every number will have a denominator. What will be the denominator? One. P by q. So ultimately all natural numbers are in the form of what? Rational number.
Rational number.
Rational numbers.
Okay, let us see the next statement. All whole numbers are rational number. True or false?
True, sir.
True, sir.
Now tell me. Tell me, 0 is a rational or not? This is a big question. 0 is rational or not? 0 no, rational ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
Rational.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು zero rational ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? On what basis you are telling? Yes. It can be written in the form of what?
0
by 1.
Is it fine? Okay, I agree. 0 by 1. Is it okay?
We can write it in the form of p by q.
Exactly. Is it restricted that I have to write only 0 by 1 or any other thing I can write using the 0 so that it can looks like in the form of p by q? Try to understand my question. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರ, ಆ 0 ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಂದ್ರಿ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರಿ, ಅಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, 0 by 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಾಗೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಅದನ್ನ 0 by 1 ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾತ್ತೋ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳು, ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ? I have told in both English and Kannada. If you have not got, I will repeat it once again. ಅಪ್ಪಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ತಿಳಿತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅಪ್ಪಿಗಳ, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪಿಗಳ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರ, 0 is a rational number, agreed. On what basis you have said? Why? Because 0 by 1 we can write it as in the form of p by q, agreed. This is the final way to represent in the form of p by q, that is 0 by 1, or else we can write something else. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರು ಬರಿಬಹುದಾ?
1 by 0, sir.
1 by 0 is not the answer. 1 by 0 is not defined. Leave that option.
0 by 3, 0 by 4.
Very good, Appi. What's your name?
Soumya Padikar.
Very good, Appi. Very good. See, It is not final that we can write only 0 by 1 has a form to represent in the form of p by q. You can write 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4. What is the result of 0 by 2? 0. What is 0 by 2? What is 0 by 2? 0. What is 0 by 100? 0. So now you can say that you can get a numerous example to say that 0 is a rational number, right? ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳುದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೈತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೌದು ಇದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ಆಧಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರ 0 by 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರಿ. ನಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತಗೋಬಹುದು? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತಗೋಬಹುದು? ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು?
All whole numbers are rational.
0 is a rational.
ಹಾ, 0 ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆತ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪಿಗಳ. ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೀವು? 0 by ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಅದು 0 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? ಆ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೀವು?
Whole number.
Whole numbers
Listen to me. Apart from 0, if you write any number, you are going to get result 0. So you can write innumerous example to say that 0 is a rational number. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one more statement. That is, all rational number is a whole number. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False.
ಯಾವ ಆಧಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? On which basis you are telling that all rational numbers are not a whole numbers, or all rational number is a whole number is a wrong statement, or it is a false statement? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಪಿಗೋಳ. Already I have discussed.
In whole numbers, denominator is always 1. In
Very good,
rational
very good,
number,
very good.
denominator is any number.
Anything apart from 0. Any number, you should give the condition apart from 0. If you say that any number means 0 can be also included, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Apart from
0 anna apart from 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Okay, it was very good. I don't know what was her name. Very good, Appi.
Sushmita.
Okay, Sushmita, very good, Appi, very good. Okay, next statement. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗ. Can I say one trick to you that how can we detect that whether the given statement is true or false? ಹೇಳುಮ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is here now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me now. All natural number are whole number, the arrow is upward. All whole number is a natural number, arrow is upward. All integers are rational, arrow is upward. All natural number is rational, arrow is upward. All whole numbers is rational number. We all see that every natural number is a whole number, right? ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ all natural is whole number right ಅದ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ whole numbers ಏನಕ್ಕವ? rational akkava. All whole numbers are integers, all integers are rational, all natural numbers are rational. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಏನಕ್ಕವ?
Yes, sir.
What these all are what? True statements. So all those arrow direction is in which direction they are?
Upward
direction. So whenever you should, okay, you can use this trick also to have a clear idea that how those statements are having a relation. So when those are going from the lower set of numbers to the upper set of numbers in the upward direction, then those statements are what? Those all statements are
True statement.
very good. So all rational numbers are integers, it was a false statement. All rational number is whole number, it was a false statement. All whole numbers is a natural number, it was a false statement. All integers is a whole number, that is also false statements. So what you can observe the changes in the arrow marks now.
It was in inward direction, sir.
Downward direction. So when the arrow mark is in downward direction, that statements must be what?
False statement.
Okay. ತಿಳಿತಿರಿದೆಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any questions? Is there any question? Okay, just observe. Okay. Now you can see that it is from your first exercise that the question is zero a rational number? Can you write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? It was been asked in the asked before in this class. Is 0 is a rational number or not? Whether we have discussed this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Zero
what
is
is
a
the
rational
answer?
number, sir.
Yes, 0 is a
Zero is a
rational
rational
number.
number.
As it can be written in the form of P by Q, and the here examples are 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. Is it sufficient? We can is it the final examples to say that it's a rational number, or else we can write many more examples?
Yes, sir.
Many more
Very good. I too.
Write
Let us
many
see the
more
next example.
examples.
Very good, Apigola. Okay, let us come to the statements now. State whether the following statements are true or false, and you have to give the reason for that. So recall that diagram which we have seen before in the class. That is, every natural number is a whole number. Where this arrow mark goes, is it goes from? Is it goes from upward? Yeah. So it was a natural number. So next was whole number. After that, it was integer. After that, it was what?
Rational number.
So arrow mark ya kade hogi tra? Natural intra whole number upward direction. So it true. What is the reason? Okay, what is the reason? Why? Because reason is all the set of numbers which are present in natural numbers are present in where? Whole numbers.
Whole number.
Okay, next question. Next statement. Every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Why integer ಅನ್ನೋದು whole number ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ? Is it right?
No,
Okay, if
it
it
is false.
reason ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. What is the reason?
Negative
Negative numbers are not present in a set of a whole number. The reason,
whole number.
you need to write the reason that negative numbers are not present in a set of a whole numbers. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I will write the reason for that. The last statement. Okay, the last statement. Every rational number is a whole number. Ella rational number galu whole number dava. False yakagutta. Already we have discussed the reason.
1/2 is a rational number but not whole number.
Okay, apart from that. Denominator is, you see, denominator of a whole number is always what? 1.
Denominator of a whole number is always 1, and rational numbers have
Apart from 0.
Very good.
Any number apart from
Denominators apart from 0.
Very good, Api. Very good. Okay. So let us conclude today's class. So hope every points are clear. Is there any doubts
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Any doubts, Silre?